Hello class, this is Dr. Carl Stevens. I'm the instructor for your research seminar course that you're taking this semester. Just want to give you a brief introduction to the course and give you a little bit of information about it so that you'll have a better idea of what to expect from this course. I'll have a more thorough introduction of myself in a separate video. The point of this video is just to give you an overview of the course. This is a research seminar, and while we will not be conducting any actual research, we will be studying the concepts of research and applying them in a weekly writing assignment and a final literature review. Generally speaking, when you proceed on to graduate school, you're going to be involved in writing a thesis or perhaps even a dissertation. And the problem that I had when I went to graduate school is I had no experience with any of that. And so my hope is that I can expose you to some of the concepts and the expectations that you will see if you go on to graduate school. And if you don't go to graduate school, at the very least you'll have a better understanding of research and what constitutes good quality research. I mean, we get bombarded with it all the time, television commercials or just news stories or whatever, and we really don't have any foundation as normal consumers to know what constitutes valid research. And so my hope is that you'll become a little bit more of a critical thinker and to be able to evaluate research more critically. We'll also have a little bit of fun in the course. So as I noted, a literature review is going to be the final product of the course. But to begin the course, we're going to study some concepts first and get you a little bit of a foundation as to such things as the difference between qualitative and quantitative research, some problems that you can encounter, such as bias or sample size, or there's all kinds of stuff. We'll be covering a number of topics there. And then you'll decide for yourself on a topic that you want to collect information on. And would like it to be a topic that's of interest to you, that's relevant, that you can make a good argument as to what your position is and why that's a relevant argument to make. And then you'll begin collecting scholarly articles or publications from peer-reviewed public sources, and be writing a weekly review of the articles that you gather one at a time. And then that will be in support of a general literature review that you'll be doing at the end of the term. And so we'll cover more information on that as we go along. As far as the resources that you need, there's not a textbook for the course. However, we will be utilizing the 6th edition of the APA manual. APA is American Psychological Association. You don't have to buy this. It would be helpful to get your hands on a copy if you can. Those resources are also available online. I think the APA has an actual website. It's not a complete manual because they want you to buy the manual, but they do have some resources there. Another is, and this is totally optional, this is called the Portable Dissertation Advisor by Miles T. Bryant. Very, very good resource. Chapter 2 of this book gives excellent examples of a good quality literature review and the different ways of going about conducting that. I bought that book for my dissertation in my doctoral studies, and it was just tremendously helpful. And I think you can get both of these books for probably less than $25 if you're inclined. And then one of the other thing that you'll need, this is not a specific research textbook, but you'll need to get your hands on a textbook. You can get one at a library just about anywhere. This one, I like it because it happens to cover both quantitative and qualitative research. This one's by John Cresswell out of the University of Nebraska. I bought this about 12 years ago, so it's quite old, but it's a good resource. But you can get any good textbook out of the library, and I know the SUU library has dozens of them. Another author is Caffarella. Can't remember her first name, but anyway, just get one, check it out. If it covers qualitative and quantitative research methods, that would be very helpful. And then, it's going to have a dozen chapters on different topics, and you'll be able to draw something out of any book that you get. You don't have to get any specific one, but try to get your hands on one. It'll be very helpful in our weekly discussions, and as you have questions regarding research techniques and issues, then the textbook would be helpful there. That's pretty much it. I'm available just about any time. I'm not a regular professor here. I'm the director of our online program here at SUU, so my regular job keeps me in my office. from 8 to 5 most days, unless I've got an appointment somewhere. So if you want to come in and see me, just give me a call or an email, schedule a time, and come see me on campus. Or if you're at a distance, we can email back and forth or do a Skype or whatever. So I'm pretty much available anytime. Look forward to teaching this class and hope that you will enjoy it and get something out of it. And best wishes and good luck.